Okay, let's step back a little bit and talk about the different kinds of computers there are and what they actually do. There are many types. Supercomputers are really large computers, and what they do are really complicated things like predict what the weather is going to be next week. Mainframes are used by hundreds of people, and they're used by people like travel agents to set up reservations on various airlines and cruise ships and things like that. Workstations are used by engineers. They're very high powered systems for doing lots of calculations. And of course, what we're doing here are using desktops and laptops, which are the things that are most useful for general business applications. Of course, tablets and smartphones are also very popular, and they're becoming increasingly powerful. So we'll probably be using them in the future for various things. Okay. If you look at desktops and laptops, you've all seen them and used them, so you're pretty familiar with them. Tablets, again, a lot of you have tablets, and they're becoming increasingly popular. We'll see them in many, many business applications in the future. Quick little question here is which of these is the computer? A, B, C, D, or E? And of course, the answer is F, all of the above. They all have some kind of computer buried inside them. Okay, what we call these things cell phones and MP3 players and various things, these are embedded computers. The computers are embedded inside them, and they're non-programmable. You could program them to do various things. Maybe you could get your microwave oven to run Excel, but you'd have to spend hours trying to program it to get it ready to be able to use a program like Excel. Really not worth it. Okay, but what we use here, laptops and desktops, they're programmable computers. We can program them ourselves or buy programs from other people, and they work really well like that. Okay, what do computers actually do? Well, basically, when you break it down, there's really only four things. Okay, one is input, where it takes data, inputs it in, whether it's from a keyboard or from other computers. It processes that data, turns it into other kinds of data, hopefully into information that we can actually use, and then it stores a lot of that data or the information, and of course, it outputs the information, whether to a screen or to paper or to some other output device, so that we can actually use that information. In the diagram you can see here, we've got information coming into the main memory input. It's being processed by, of course, the processor, and occasionally it's being stored out to the hard drive or other storage device, and eventually it's going to be output as information, whether it's to a screen or to a printer. Okay, that's it. That's what the different types of computers and what the computers actually do.